Namaskaram. Sri Tiruvata Jagdishan is a sincere and dedicated Kathakali artist. He respects his guru, Padma Bhushan Madavur Vasudeva Nayar as God or sometimes better. He loves his students as his own children. For this respect and love is because he loves Kathakali better than anything else. He is a good teacher in the classroom, a good performer on the stage, and a good organizer for any public function. He is a good actor. Any character, even Pacha, Katti, Tadi, Kari, Minik, all the characters are safe on his hand, so we can trust him. He's so simple and humble. He have a thorough understanding about the Indian Puranic characters, and sometimes even for the experimental productions like Othello, Circe, Alcestis, he tried to understand the character and tries to become the character, and he can easily communicate the emotions of the character to the public. So the general public accept his performance and appreciates. So he have a good audience. I congratulate him. My best wishes for the auspicious occasion of his 60th birthday, and my all best wishes and blessings to him as well as his family.